What it does. Prometheus is a monitoring system and time series database that collects metrics from targets, such as Linux servers and applications, and stores them for querying and alerting. It provides a robust and scalable way to monitor and alert on system and application performance. Command/example. To set up Prometheus, you'll need to install the Prometheus server, node exporter, for Linux server metrics, and alert manager, for alerting. Here's an example using Docker. Breaking it down. Here's a breakdown of the components. Prometheus server, the central component that collects metrics from targets and stores them in a time series database. Node exporter, a target that exposes Linux server metrics, e.g. CPU, memory, disk usage, to Prometheus. Alert manager, a component that handles alerting rules and notifications. Scrape config, defines how Prometheus collects metrics from targets, e.g. interval, targets. Targets, the systems or applications being monitored, e.g. Linux servers, applications. Common mistakes. Insufficient resources, e.g. CPU, memory, allocated to Prometheus and node exporter. Incorrect scrape interval or configuration. Inadequate alerting rules or notification setup. Try this next. Explore the Prometheus web interface, http://localhost 9090, and query metrics using PromQL, e.g. node_CPU_seconds_total. Set up alerting rules using Alert Manager and test notifications. Pro tip. Use a robust and scalable storage solution, e.g. disk storage, object storage, for Prometheus data, and consider using a service discovery mechanism, e.g. DNS, Kubernetes, to manage targets and scrape configurations. To add alerting rules, create a rules YML file with the following content. Then, update the Prometheus YML file to include the rule_files section. Restart the Prometheus container to apply the changes. Remember to explore the Prometheus and Alert Manager documentation for more advanced configurations and best practices.